Hi guys, it's me, Priceless Beauty, and today I'm going to be doing a shepherd pie slash cottage pie, whatever you call it. So I've got my onion here, I've got my minced beef, 2 small pack, and then for spices I've got my jerk seasoning, mixed spice, the aromatic, and I've got Maggi seasoning, liquid one here, and I've got a beef stock powder also here to go with it. And for my vegetables, I'm going with the bird eye mixed vegetables. So let's just get right into it. So put my onion in it and fry it for a while to get it a little bit soft, and then I put my minced beef in it. Just keep stirring it.
Looks yummy.
I add teaspoon of jerk seasoning, add my mixed spice, and I'm also going to add in teaspoon of the beef stock. Just mix all together. I'm also going to add in few drops of the liquid Maggi seasoning. Just stir it all together. I'm going to add in a little bit of chili powder. And this is optional. You don't have to add in chili if you don't like yours hot, spicy. You don't need to add in chili. I'm going to add in some garlic paste. I'm going to add some salt to taste. After, I'm going to add in some tomato paste slash puree. Not a lot. I'm going to mix some flour with water. I'm going to pour in the mixture of the flour. Just stir, and this will thicken it. This will help it to thicken. Just before it's ready, I add in my vegetables. Make sure it don't stay on for long after you add the vegetables in. You don't want your vegetables to go too soft because you're going to be baking it in the oven. So try not to let the vegetable go too soft. So I just add in straight before I turn off the cooker. Immediately I finish mixing the vegetables, I just turn off the cooker. and that is it for the sauce. The meat done. Whilst I was doing it, I was boiling my potato, so I'm just going to get the potato off and get it ready for mash. So now we're going to add in egg yolk, which is 2. One of it is mashed. Never mind. This will bring the taste out. Just going to mash the egg yolk with it. Next, I'm going to add in some butter. Oh, it's not so much. Next, we're going to add in our milk. You can also use fresh milk to make it nice and soft. Remember, you're going to bake it, so you don't need it really thick. If your mashed potato is too thick, it's never going to work. It's not going to taste good. So just mix it. I'm going to add in a bit of mixed spice ground. So this is coriander and nutmeg mixed together. I'm also going to add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Just a tiny bit. Not a lot. I'm even pouring some back. Tiny bit. Just to seasoning it. Just make tip it. Oh! Make sure the cow don't eat it all. Tip it all in. Hungry now. So you just put all your mashed potato on top. You get a fork to level it. Just level it however you can.
The best way you can.
Yeah, the best way you can. He says, best way you can. He just coming in here to help a little bit. Hey, he just coming in here and he's made wiggle line on top.
Helps it cook better.
So we're gonna sprinkle tiny cheese on top. For some deco, I'm just gonna add dry thyme on it. Just sprinkle a little bit, and this is also an optional, just to, you know, give it some decoration, make it looks nice. Yeah, that's it really. I'm just gonna bang it in the oven, please. So this is the finished result straight out of the oven, and as you can see, looks really nice and delicious, and it tastes really delicious. So I'm just gonna serve it.